When it comes to dual sport and adventure riding, sometimes the best rides are the ones where there's no real plan. Recently, me and the crew set out on what was supposed to be a chill adventure ride, but due to some blocked trails, it turned into a single-track adventure on the big bad Suzuki DR650. Stay tuned, this ride was tons of fun. Alright, we got a group of 5 of us out here today, hoping to do a bit of a local favorite ridge trail. We're thinking we're gonna hit snow, but you know, we got the saw, we're gonna clear out some trail and see how far we get. Let's get into this. You want to try the 650?
Sure, let's do it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, couch, you can go ahead.
Alright.
It's always fun on these rides to play a little bit of musical bikes and just see how everything compares. Colton's 500 EXC here. Well, nothing surprising about it is I have a 450 EXC and they're very similar, but he got an opportunity to enjoy the couch that is the 650.
He's plush.
Yeah.
The couch.
I don't know if you charged it into any big hits, but it's crazy because it'll still take.
I just did on that one back there.
Yeah, it's remarkable. Oh, Dave's gone. Oh, wow! Someone put in some work here. Holy smokes. Wow. Yeah, a little Milwaukee wouldn't do that. Wow. If whoever put in all this work is watching, email me. I will buy you a malt beverage. Uh-oh. Might be as far as we're getting. Wow!
This thing is quiet and smooth.
Someone's put in some work.
Holy fuck. We couldn't have made it anywhere if it wasn't.
No.
Holy shit. Not with that little saw.
No, even the big saw.
And I think it's a side-by-side coming through because they made it quite wide.
Man, that would have been like 2 days of work.
No, I'd leave it.
He doesn't want his bike back.
This is dual sport. Okay, hey, you got a stick on my bike. Jesus Christ.
Uh-oh.
On a
$10.
trail full of sticks.
$10 for the stick.
$10? You could
stick.
shoot higher.
Well, you're gonna have.
had to lay her down.
Oh no.
Oh, did you hit some clippings?
It was very anticlimactic.
Oh. With all this trail clearing that seemed already had been done, we were feeling somewhat confident that we might have some success on this trail. Definitely DR650 territory. Aha! Huh.
Okay, get the saw out.
Oh, we could tackle that no problem.
I really thought we were making it.
Hey, we can drag him under.
Now how many
Why
more?
don't we just army crawl under it?
And then walk the rest
It's,
of the way. And then
well.
20 seconds later, there'll be another.
Yeah, how many more are going to be right
Well, yeah, there's gonna be a lot more. Holy.
Although it would have been somewhat feasible to cut out this log with the little Milwaukee chainsaw we had, we decided to take the drone up and see just how many more logs there was going to be, and it became clear quite quickly that we didn't quite have the right equipment for this job, and that the snow would soon stop us as well. Alright, well, that was a predictable bust, but someone's done a ton of work to get us this far. There's going to be a lot of work for us or those quad guys to go much further, but this is kind of a classic trail, so I'm sure, you know, we'll get her opened up and running again. But for now, we're going to go try some single track, which is what the DR650 is known for, and then probably do some more exploring. This isn't chaotic at all here.
That thing rolling, it works okay, but
yeah,
uphills, I'm sure
it runs out of power quick. Well, there's a video thumbnail for me. Colton, you gotta really turn the key on that thing.
Okay.
Sometimes if it dies, just turn the key on and off. I've got to get a new ignition. We had a quick highway transfer section as we moved on to our single track, and Colton wanted to give the 650 a try on the pavement, so I was on the 500. For as much slack as these EXCs get for their highway performance, if you balance the tires and put a decent seat on them, they're perfectly acceptable. Alright, Colton's getting a full taste of the 650 highway and single track. Well, the 500 is obviously pretty great on single track. Although Colton is of course having no trouble at all on the mighty Bush Pig. Woo! Well, Colton,
I don't hate it.
how was it on the highway?
It was great.
Yeah, it's
I could definitely see one of these being nice for a long trip.
yeah, and it can kind of ish ride single track.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Like if you. After trading back, it was my turn to take the 650 on some single track, and although this is something that I used to do quite regularly, it took some getting used to get reacquainted with the extra sturdiness of the 650, shall we say. Whee! Oh yeah, this is perfect 650 terrain. Look at that! Woo! Big dog!
Redemption!
Extreme 250. I'd ridden some of these trails once before, but this latest section was new to us, and boy, were we ever rewarded with this epic spot.
I've never done this one.
Really?
So this part of the trail.
What did you think of that? That was like,
That's sick.
dude, that's the sickest single track I've ever been
You
on.
can tell it's on you this spring, eh? They just opened it up.
Yeah.
Jake happened to find it because
This viewpoint seemed like another great opportunity to take the drone out for a spin.
Close. Almost at it.
that was a good one.
Almost a good one. Okay, that wasn't pretty, but it worked.
This was towards the end of our ride, and it was at this point that I was reminded that although the DR650 can do single track at a reasonable pace, you'll spend almost twice as much energy throwing it around as you would a lighter bike. With that said, I think it's still quite possibly my favorite dual sport of all time.